you know, just a nice casual look for Tuesday. What am I trying to say? Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting and also unprecedented because we are doing another giveaway. I know, I have 2 giveaways going right now at the same time. I'm really excited to show you what's going to be in today's giveaway. Last month, Juvia's Place was doing their mystery boxes and I ordered 2, one to try out on camera today and one to give away to you. It just kind of so happened that it came in, and then I also have my Dossier perfume giveaway going at the same time, but I just wanted to dig into this box and I wanted to try this stuff on. So yeah, we're doing 2 giveaways at the same time. You can enter both giveaways. If you've already entered my Dossier perfume giveaway, don't worry. If you're interested in Juvia's Place and you like what I'm trying out today, you can also enter that giveaway as well if you'd like. The Juvia's Place giveaway is going to be over by Thanksgiving Day. I know, I'm going to announce the winner on Thanksgiving Day. I'm so sorry if that is inconvenient for anyone. I don't want to be sending them out on the same week, so I'm doing one on the 30th and one on Thanksgiving Day. Okay, so if you're excited to see what's in this Juvia's Place mystery box, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay, now I didn't do this on purpose. I originally opened up this box that it was mailed in so that I thought the mystery boxes were going to come in their own individual box, but it turns out everything is just actually loose in this box, so I know what all the products are, but do not fret because they are the exact same thing. I have double of everything. So everything that I am putting on my face today and pulling out of this box, you will also be receiving in the giveaway if you win. I'm really excited. I already saw what's in this box, so unfortunately it is not a mystery as I'm doing this video, but it was very exciting when I opened it up at first. So we are going to dig into this box and try some of this stuff on our face today, and then I will let you know at the end of the video how to enter the giveaway. Hope you're excited for this because I am so excited for this. All right, so these mystery bundles came with 4 items. I have the Heroin Glow 2, which is a highlighter, question mark. I got the Festival palette. I got a Nubian Intense pencil liner, which looks blue. I have no idea. And I also got this liquid lip in this really dark shade called, I'm just gonna show it to you. Doo-doo, doo-doo. It's a matte. I'm really excited. This looks right up my alley right now. I am a little concerned because it looks a little dry as I'm looking at it, but we are going to open up all of these items and do a little look today. I have no idea how this look is going to come out. I don't know if any of this stuff goes together, but it does today. I am most excited for the palette. So we are going to dive into the palette first. I love the artwork on the packaging. So cute. And of course, you know I love oranges. So if this palette is orange, then I'm going to be so excited. Okay, here it is. Oh, brother, what am I going... Oh, gosh. Okay, I'm excited about these 2 rows. This bottom row, I'm really not so sure about. Like, where does the blue and this black shade come in? I'm not really sure. I think we can do something with this, but let's keep digging. This is the Nubian Intense pencil liner. Ah, yes. It is in blue. Uh-oh. Very, very soft. Okay. This is in the shade Royal. And let's open up this, what I'm assuming is a highlighter. It's in cardboard packaging. Okay, how do I open this without getting it everywhere? Oh! Okay, I thought this was going to be a loose powder, but it looks like this. The box is a little misleading, is it not? Circular, and then there's like a square pan in it. I do like that it's cardboard though, biodegradable, so good for you, Juvia's Place. Then lastly, the doo-doo shade. Okay, I cannot be pronouncing that right? Okay, if you know the correct pronunciation of D-U-D-U, and it's not doo-doo, can you let me know down below in the comments because I feel really stupid right now. What else is new? I recently did my ColourPop Hocus Pocus collaboration video, and I realized that I missed out on a black liquid lipstick, but now I have this one. So this is Doo Doo. Whoa. Oh, I'm so excited. What the heck am I gonna do today? Okay, I need a moment. I think we're going to do some swatches. I need some inspiration. So we are going to start with Izafa. I am sorry if I'm butchering these names. Beautiful red shade. That one's called You, which is a shimmery white. Ofala. That one's pretty. This one's called Manwu. Manwu. Just a peach shade. Okay. Eerie G. I feel like when I got that Odin's Eye palette and I couldn't pronounce any of the names, that's how I'm feeling right now. How does this color story make sense? I'm confused. Okay, maybe I'm not creative enough. This one's called Oro, which is a beautiful mustard yellow shade. I really want to use this one today. Oro. The shimmery black called Kiliki. Kiliki. Okay. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What just happened? Abba. Abba. These shimmers. Holy cow. Odogu. Odogu. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. A really pretty gold shade. Wow. Okay. All right. We have some options. The shimmers definitely redeem this palette. Like those are really buttery, beautiful shimmers. So let me see, what the heck am I going to do? Okay, we are going to start off with Ofala, which is this bright red shade. And my eyes are not primed. I'm going to just stamp this shade on my eyes. This is a bright red shade. Wow. Okay, on a big fluffy brush, I'm going to kind of buff in Oro, which is the mustard yellow shade. I like this shade a lot. I'm going to just buff around the edges with this shade. Smoking it all the way out. I love drama. I love it so much. I mean, why not, you know? You got the lid space, you might as well do it. Will this mess it up? Probably, but is Zafa, the dark red, just right here. Just on my finger, I'm going to go in with Odagu, which is that shimmery golden shade. And I'm going to just blend that into the deep red on the corner of my eye. That one is so pretty. I love that shade a lot. Very, very pretty. I think that the yellow shade and this shade would actually look really pretty as just like a daily look. You know, when you don't want to just blow it out to God. I will say that these are very pigmented shadows, so definitely use a small brush, pack it on, but you know that's never been my style, so I just like to go in with the pigment like right off the bat, really get it in there, but that's okay because you can always clean it up. I am drama tonight. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it for me. On a little bitty itty tiny brush, I'm going in with You, which is just the white shade. And that's going to be my inner corner shade, like my inner highlighter here. Yeah, I'm going to be boring and put on a black eyeliner, but just know that the bundle comes with this beautiful royal blue. I cannot work that into today's look. I'm not even going to attempt it. So let me just finish this up really quick. For the lower lash line, I'm just going in and I'm layering the colors that I put on the top. So the bright red, the dark red, and that yellow shade. Just kind of layering those up on the bottom lash line to kind of give it some ombre looking effect. Yep, I like it. Okay, yes, here is the look I have come up with using the Festival palette from Juvia's Place. Again, I didn't use all the shades. I'm sorry. I don't really feel like, this color story makes a lot of sense. I wasn't very inspired by it, but of course, you know, I had to come up with an orange red look for you because naturally that's just how I'm living my life these days. Next, we're going to go in with this highlighting. I think this is so beautiful. It might be a little dark for my skin tone, but you know, when has that ever stopped me before? It's very peachy pinky, which is perfect. It might be a little dark for my skin tone, but it's more of a natural highlighter, not as blinding, which I can learn to accept. Okay, again, this is their Baked Highlighter in Heroin Glow number 2. I'm happy to have that in my collection. Again, also in the giveaway. Okay, on to this really intimidating black lipstick called Doo Doo. Again, I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. D-U-D-D. It looks beautiful, but I'm going to need a liner. I already know. Okay. Focus. I feel like black is even harder than red. I cannot. I'm done. This is it. This is it. Okay, it was matte. I added gloss. I'm sorry. I don't like matte. Here is the look I created with all of the mystery items for my Juvia's Place box. This is everything that you would be getting in the giveaway. And to enter my giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know down below, would you wear this look that I just came up with? I struggled so hard with today's look. I'm not kidding. This should have taken me 30 minutes. I've been sitting here for an hour and a half. Here I am struggling, black lipstick. I thought this is what I wanted in life, and now I'm just really not sure. Let me know, would you wear this down below? I will be reaching out to you on Thanksgiving Day, which is November 24th, in case you're curious. I know a lot of people in my last giveaway, my question was, what is your favorite Thanksgiving food? A lot of the answers I was getting is, I'm sorry, I don't celebrate Thanksgiving. Duh, I know. Gosh, I'm such an idiot sometimes. I'm sorry. Totally okay. That's an acceptable answer as well. Thanksgiving is on November 24th. This is for USA subscribers only. I'm so sorry. I do not have the funds available to ship internationally yet. But if you're interested in winning any of the items you saw me use today, I look forward to hearing from you guys down below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.